Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I also wanted to add that I'm not allergic to any animals, including bunnies, and I have these two furry friends in my life. This is Dan, he's 2 years old, and this is Dee, he's 1.5 years. They're silver toy poodles, and they are my best friends. We do everything together, including cuddling. So, thanks. Hey, buddy.
My dog tried Nom Nom for the first time. It's fresh and is made with real ingredients. Look at that. He loves it. I've never seen him so excited for mealtime.
Get set. Go. Get it. Come on. Ready? Come. One more time. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. So I go hiking every day with these guys, and we have a ton of fun. Let's go.